Yo, what do you do, my beautiful people? Nah, that's annoying. Hey y'all, it's Ari back with another video. It's another day, another dollar. All right, y'all, so let's just get right on into this. I'm starting on blow dried, fresh wash and conditioner blow dried hair. Everything I use will be in the description box down below. Why can I not talk today? But I got all this stuff from a site called Divatress. I've used them before, and y'all, they just really messed me up this time for their Black Friday sale. I don't know what happened, but they sent me the wrong color, the wrong length, the wrong everything. But I was just so over my hair. I just not in the mood to do it. So I just worked with what I had. So what I'm doing right now is I'm kind of just making a rough draft and just roughly parting out my hair into 4 sections, just so I can deal with my hair, because I can't do it all at once. It should lie. You know what I'm saying? Lord be blessing me with the inches, but it should lie. So yeah, don't mind the parts. They look a little crazy right now, but I'm gonna fix them up, I promise. So I went in now with the Shine and Jam, basically running it through my parts to straighten them out. Y'all, this took me so long because I had connected my camera to my computer and I was using my computer as a screen just to try and just to try and like straighten out my hair. It was a hot mess, but after it took me like, I'm gonna say maybe like 10 minutes just to part this one section alone, because I'm literally looking at the camera but trying to keep my head straight, and it was just a mess. Girl, what in the crooked smile? Anyways, after I had gotten my 4 sections straight, I went in and basically did pre-sectioned my hair. I used the rubber band method for this style because it made it go by a lot quicker, a whole lot quicker. This only took me 4 hours. So basically I just parted out all the parts that I wanted, put the rubber bands around it, and just make sure you don't do it tight. And I forgot to show y'all, but I did dip my rubber bands in oil just to prevent breakage and stuff. So yeah, these are all the sections. I don't know how many I put in my hair. I still have them in right now, so I can just count them and put on the screen so y'all will know. So this is the hair they sent me, y'all. The color was right, the length was wrong. They sent me 22 inches as opposed to 12. I kind of wanted them angled at a length. I ordered 14 and 12 inches. They sent me 22. It was a mess. So this is what the hair looks like. There aren't that many in the pack. And because they sent me a pack where it was 2 packs. I ordered 7 in total. They sent me 2 packs that I just literally couldn't use because I hated the color. It was the red y'all see in my hair, the one red piece. And I did not like it at all, but I was too lazy to take it out. So I literally had 5 packs of hair to work with. So what I did do, all right, so basically what I just had to make do with what I had. So I went through with the 22 inch. The actual hair, I took 1 piece as opposed to 2, because how I did it was I split it in 2 and then I halved it. So then I got a bigger piece of hair, if that makes sense. You feel me? Just because Divatress really messed me up with this. Then I went through and I like finger combed the hair just so it wasn't as uniform, so it's easy for me to kind of blend it with my hair. Y'all, the color is wrong, everything wrong. My hair is a 1B. They sent me a 4. Y'all, I'm supposed to do the 4. A 4 what? Foolish. Section of hair, what I did was I kind of combed it out and then I went with the jam just to make the hair kind of stiff but get all the hair together so I don't have any flyaways. Okay, so right there, stiff well. So what I was doing now is I just went in with the hair and I started to braid. If you know how to do like box braids, it's the same concept kind of. So I went through and I just laid the hair flush over the rubber band, and then I went in and just started braiding just to try to get my hair encapsulated with the braiding hair. Y'all, excuse my grandma in the back. She like super loud, like ma'am. But I went through braiding and I was just, after I got down a little while, maybe like 3 or 4 times braiding it, then I would start to twist it, and I would just make sure that I would keep my hair encapsulated with the braiding hair as much as I could. And I mean, there's some where you're gonna see the rubber bands, but it is what it is. notes just so y'all can kind of see really what I was doing. Yeah, it's a very easy process. I just ended each twist off with the a rubber band because I didn't feel like dipping the hair. I don't even think this hair does the water set or whatever. But yeah, did that all over my head. It only took 4.5 hours, so it was cool.
Christmas Day, you've been waiting this late. It's almost Christmas Day, you've been waiting this late. I know you be carrying a load. Just touched down from the North Pole. Your ride was so icy and cold. Wanna come in from the snow. Well, inside it's warm and dry. We can get real close by the fire. I know you're such a giving guy, but now it's your time to unwind. Santa, come down my chimney, 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 chimney. Oh, I want you here with me, here with me, here with me, here with me. Sleigh bells jingling, sounds like time for mingling to my ears. Santa, come down my chimney, 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 chimney. I want you here with me, here with me, here with me, here with me. Let's engage in some holiday cheer. I had your milk and cookies right here, and let me make it plain. Naughty and nice, I'll keep it sweet as candy canes. By the top of the eggnog, we can have some fun. There's so much to be done, stockings to be stuffed. My home is your home, make yourself comfortable. By the way, did you notice the mistletoe? And Santa, this year I didn't send you a letter. Thought it'd be better if I wrote you this carol. Santa, come down my chimney, 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 chimney.
Then I went in with my favorite setting foam, which is the Care setting mousse. Y'all, that thing was cold on my head. I said, that thing was cold. I ain't like that. Then I went in and added these little keys that I had gotten. That's the only thing Diva Dress got right, was them keys. But whatever. So yeah, that's really much it. That's all I did with my hair. It's been like this. It's been about 2 weeks now. No, a week and some days, a week and some change. And they still looking good. You know, love that for me. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all tomorrow or the next day. No, tomorrow. Bye, y'all.
Than Jack Frost, how perfectly Alaska fitted me. I'm so lucky you came to visit me. Till next year, I'll be here by the chimney. You stay jolly now, yours sincerely. Santa, come down my chimney, 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 chimney. I want you here with me, here with me, here with me, here with me. Sleigh bells jingling, sounds like time for mingling.